In our modern world, all of us are taught and wired to survive, not to relax. That means most of us live stuck in our sympathetic nervous system, the flight or fight response of the body. Always alert, constantly overbreathing, overstimulated, and always exhausted. See, the way you breathe tells your body how to show up in the world. Body's constantly getting instructions from your breath. But here's the thing, most of us are breathing unconsciously. If you're breathing shallow, if you're over breathing, if you're breathing fast, then you're telling your body essentially to stay in your sympathetic nervous system. And this chronic bad breathing doesn't just give you stress, but it leads to bad sleep, anxiety, digestive issues, and even chronic pain throughout your body. And this can lead to a state where you're constantly agitated and your body, your cells are not getting enough oxygen to thrive. But today, with this 10-minute breathing exercise, will reset your vagus nerve, your body's built-in reset system. You'll feel calmer, more grounded, more in control, but not by force, but through surrendering to your body's intelligence. So let's begin with the breathwork practice for today. So you'll find a comfortable place to sit down, keeping your spine straight, cross-legged. If cross-legged is not an option, you can sit on a couch for a beginner's practice. So we begin now. All right, so this sequence will start with Bhastrika Pranayama. We'll move this energy throughout your spine. Then we go into slow diaphragmatic breathing. And in the last round, we'll explain you how to bring this vibration in your body throughout your whole nervous system through Om sound. So let's start with the Bhastrika Pranayama. 30 breaths in and out and holding the breath at the end for 30 seconds. Inhale fully. Exhale. Holding the breath in 30 seconds. Beautiful job. Allow the breath to exhale, inhale normally. Sit in meditation. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing job, my friends. Now that we got our body, the energy to move, now let's prepare our body gently to receive the vibrations of Om. This we do it with diaphragmatic breathing and gentle tapping on the navel with your fist. So you'll make a fist like this, and only on exhale, you'll start to gently tap. Inhaling for 4, exhale 6. So we start now. Inhaling for 4, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6. Inhale 4, Hold 4. Exhale 6. Inhale 4. Hold 4. And exhale 6. Beautiful. Inhale 6. Hold 6. Exhale 8. Inhale 6. Hold 6. And exhale 8. Beautiful. Now we just got our body ready to receive the benefits of chanting. The chanting we're going to use is Om. Om is a primordial mantra. So now we are creating a vibration in our whole nervous system, and thereby we are allowing our vagus nerve to activate. So we start from the root chakra and we bring this vibration throughout the whole spine up into your throat all the way towards your brain. So we'll use the ah sound to vibrate your lower chakras, ah, with the mouth open. Oo sound, then we close the mouth halfway and create oo sound and feel the vibration, throat chakra, heart chakra, and up. And then sound, we bring this vibration in your hypothalamus area and vibrate the brain. So if you're ready, let's do 6 long, slow, deep breaths. And one exhale, we'll chant Om. Taking a long breath in. Second, inhale fully. Beautiful job. Now you can come into guided meditation and listen to the guided instructions. And these guided instructions will help your vagus nerve activate even further. Keeping your spine straight, chin 5 degrees up, eyes closed. Go ahead and close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Continue breathing slow, long, deep breaths. Now bring your awareness to your jaw and unclench it. Allow the shoulders to melt down and away from your ears. Notice your arms, hands. Are they holding any tension? Let your fingers loosen and rest. Relax your belly. Allow it to rise and fall with the breath. Continue feeling your body as it softens. With each breath, you're telling your nervous system it is safe to let go. One more deep breath. As you exhale, let the mental tension melt away. Just be here in stillness. Beautiful. Slowly start to open your eyes. When we breathe properly, especially after your vagus nerve activation, your nervous system remembers how to breathe properly, how to stay in the homeostasis. We have prepared 3 guided meditation audios to enhance your Kundalini awakening journey. With that, we also include a 21-session ebook that supports your Kundalini journey through daily reflections and tracks your spiritual progress. Link is available in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you might like to enroll in our comprehensive step-by-step Kundalini Awakening course. Join us on our Holistic Awakening membership that grants you access to the Kundalini course, along with all the breathwork courses and meditation courses we offer. And you can now download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, guided meditations, and calming sleep music, all in one place. Each day, you wait, you delay your transformation journey. So act now and click in the link in the description below to start your spiritual evolution. And if this video brought a little value into your life, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, breathwork, and meditation in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Duggal. Namaste, peace, and love. And thank you for joining the School of Breath.